What's up, you guys? Alexandra here, and today is the day for possible redemption. So if you all remember, a few months back, we unboxed a subscription called Melanin Bliss. And in the very first box we did, there was a questionable product, particularly the batch code of the product and whether or not the product was either expired or fake or what was going on with it. So I hit up the brand about the product as well as the box, and the box owner was not real happy with me in my unboxing, to put it mildly, which it's the name of the game. You know what I'm saying? So I put the box on ice for a while I kind of investigated and looked into a few things, and I wanted to bring it back because I do have some answers, as well as I felt like this box had a lot of potential. So I'm curious to see if we have similar issues or what ends up happening with this. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. So since the last time we unboxed this subscription, there has been a few changes. So I did want to let you guys know those. So obviously I do pay for this box, and there are two different plans now. So there is the $25 monthly plan, which is, I guess, what I got, which is the mini Bliss box. And it contains 5 to 6 full-size products that is supposed to value between $80 and $100. And now they have a $45 bi-monthly plan, which is, I guess, their full-size box. And that's supposed to contain 8 to 10 full-size products, but also valued between $80 and $100. So I thought that was a little strange. Also, they are now dedicated their entire box to nothing but Black-owned brands, apparently. And they also did change their outside packaging a little bit, which I did think this was super cute. So if you guys are ready, let's open her up. So that is what the inside looks like, which I thought was super cute. It's got a little, and this is the April box. I wasn't for sure if this was the April box or not, because they do send them out kind of a little bit later towards the month, not, you know, all the way at the end, but a little bit later. I did just get this the other day. So it just says, we're hoping you're staying safe and healthy. Please enjoy your goodies. And then it's got like a list of all of the products and all of that, and then their social media and stuff. And since I'm not affiliated with this box and I do pay for it, I do want to let you guys know I did find a code for this. If you would like to sign up, I think you get like 15% off your first box. So I will put that down in the description box. So the first thing I am pulling out here is a little pink pouch, which has like a really super cute pair of sunglasses that my daughter's gonna steal these from me. Let's be real here. I think she steals at least one thing out of every single box, and this is gonna be that thing because this is just right up her alley. Ooh, maybe I better not let her have these because they are cute. I'm just gonna leave those on for the remainder of this video. Let's see, what does this say this retails for? So this is the hippie sunglasses Etsy shifted vision, and they retail for $15. All right, so the next thing in here is, it looks like a little bracelet, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so everything is rose tinted. I gotta take those off. All right, so it is a super cute little bracelet, and this is a Tsang Kapha boutique bracelet, and it retails for $20. Now, if I can get it on, I don't really know, like, I feel like if these were like pointed in, it would be a little cuter. You know what I'm saying? But it is really cute. I do like this kind of, you know, bracelet. So we're just going to put that on. Now, the next thing is a colored Raine Flawless Perfecting Sponge. And that's what the box looks like. And it says Apple Rain at the top. So I'm guessing it's going to be a green sponge. Yay, I don't have any green sponges. Ooh, this looks nice. I really do like colored Raine products. So I'm really, really happy to have this in my box. So that is what the sponge looks like. And I really like sponges like this in this shape. So I'm hoping this is not one of those sponges that soaks up a lot of product, because this just looks like a really cute and fluffy sponge. So I guess we're gonna find out, because I'll be trying that out. All right, so the next product in here is also by Colored Raine, and this is one of their lipsticks. That's what the outside packaging looks like. And this is in the color Empathy is what it says, which is too fitting. All right, so that's what their packaging looks like, and that is a very, very pretty shade. And I don't think, do I have this? Let me see. No. So I've whipped in Cameo. So no, I don't have this. So let's see what this looks like swatched. Ooh, that's a really, really pretty nude shade. I love these kind of colors. You guys already know. And I love, 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 love colored Raine lipstick. So we'll just throw that right on over top of what we got. And look, it matches my eye look perfectly. I love colored Raine lipsticks. All right, so the next thing in here we have is the Festival by Juvia's. So I'm guessing this is a Juvia's Place palette, the Festival palette, which I don't own and is really exciting because Juvia's Place palettes are so pigmented, you guys, so pigmented. All right, if you haven't tried one, I highly suggest you do. They carry them in Ulta now. They have sales all the time. So amazing. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And I just dropped the thing. So there's no mirror inside. That is what it looks like. And we will do some swatches. Let me pull my sleeve up here. Ooh, so I cannot even pronounce these names. Ofala, Oro, Irigiri. So these are all mattes. Ooh, I mean, do you guys see what I'm talking about? Look at that. Those are all like one swipe swatches you guys just saw. Okay, what else we got here? Mamanwu. I can't even pronounce these. I'm not even gonna try. Oh my gosh, I love orange corals like that. You guys know. You guys already know. Okay, what else we got? Azafa. Ooh, that is a pretty red. A little powdery, but pretty all the same. So I'm excited to give this a try. Let me wipe my fingers off here, and then we'll do a few more swatches of these shimmers. So we got Yuli, Kaliki, Abba, and Adagwu. I know I'm chopping that up bad. Oh my gosh, I have no room left. So let's see. Ooh, ooh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Holy smackaroonies. Are you guys seeing this right now? Like, seriously? Yeah. This is what you guys are going to see on my eyes next. And the gold is not even picking up on camera, but it is so gorgeous. I'm going to take swatches and show you guys close-ups of them because these are just, they're just so gorgeous. This white right here, though, for real, this white has me excited, you guys. Like, really excited. That is just so buttery and so nice. So again, that is that palette. If you guys get a chance to pick up a Juvia's Place palette, do so. You will thank me later. All right. So let's add everything up and see if we got between an $80 and $100 value, as well as I wanted to let you guys know what happened with that Too Faced product that we got in that initial first box. So let's go ahead and add this up. So we have the $20 Juvia's Place palette, the $17 colored Raine lipstick, which I did check, those are correct, the $6 colored Raine sponge, the Tsang Kapha boutique bracelet, it says is $20, the hippie sunglasses from Etsy is $15. So if you add that all up, that comes to $78. Now, this doesn't include the Clinique bag, but here's the thing on here, and I'll just show you guys. It says right here, bonus gift Clinique bag. So I don't really know why they put that as a bonus gift, because the bonus is obviously not included in the total. You know what I'm saying? So if you add that $25 in there, then that brings it to $103, which hits between that $80 and $100 mark, actually a little bit over. But I don't really know why they put the Clinique bag as a bonus gift, because that doesn't really, I don't know, just doesn't make sense to me. But you are definitely getting your money's worth. Now, let's talk about the Too Faced concealer that we got in our first initial Melanin Bliss box. Now, if you guys remember, this batch code showed that supposedly not only was this expired, but this was manufactured back before this product was ever even launched out on the market, which is crazy to think of, but it's Too Faced. They've been doing a lot of shady things, so nothing really surprises us anymore. So I hit up Too Faced and I also hit up Melanin Bliss. Now, Too Faced ghosted me completely and it took me forever to finally reach somebody, but I did get an answer. Melanin Bliss said that she bought this directly from Too Faced's website, I think, and that it was good to go and she would provide me with receipts, but she never did give me those receipts. Now, when Too Faced got back to me, they did tell me that this is part of their older line because they have released and launched a newer version of this, which has different packaging and different batch codes, but that apparently this product is good for 12 months from opening. So as long as it hadn't been opened and was still sealed in the box and all of that, it should be good and not expired. So as I told you guys, it doesn't smell funky or anything like that. It's not like watery, it's not like broken apart or anything like that. So it wasn't showing signs that it had expired, but it did kind of throw me off, the packaging of it and also the batch code. So supposedly this is good to go, but Too Faced also did say that this batch code is found quite frequently at TJ Maxx. So that's what I'm thinking happened and why she didn't want to provide me with the receipts. It's probably because she might have purchased this at like a TJ Maxx or Marshall's or maybe Nordstrom Rack or something like that and didn't want to let me know. Now, I really don't care where they purchase products at as long as they're not expired. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I cared about. So I'm glad that I am able to possibly use this. And I am like kind of a little weary about it now because of everything, but I am going to give it a go and see what happens because supposedly the Born This Way concealer is amazing. So hopefully it still is amazing and I guess we'll find out soon enough. All right, so that is all I have for you guys today. If you are interested in signing up for the Melanin Bliss box, I do, like I said earlier, have a code. It's not my code, it's just a code that I found on her website and on her Instagram, and I will link all of that information down below. So far, I'm not really seeing anything crazy wrong with this box other than the fact that the owner does have a little bit of an attitude about bad reviews. And I do wish she would have provided me with the receipts and stuff for this, just so that way I didn't have to go through all the crap that I had to go through with Too Faced. But other than that, I'm, again, not really seeing anything. I feel like this box pretty much redeemed itself with this box, and I do like now how they are going more towards Black owned brands only, and I think that's new and different and not a lot of other boxes do that kind of thing. So I do think that definitely makes them stand out. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy and hopefully living in one of those states that they are finally starting to open back up. They're not opening anything back up here in Ohio yet, but hopefully in your state they are, or they're getting ready to. Until next time, see ya.